Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Ryan here, and today we're actually doing something kind of interesting. Me and Joey are going to be trying to throw our own car meet. Let me explain. So for all BRZ 86's FRS's, the chassis code is 86, and that happens to line up with a date that happens to be 8/6. So it's kind of a holiday, if you want to call it that, or whatever. I don't know. I just think it's a good excuse to get a bunch of cars together and, you know, have fun. I noticed that in my local area there wasn't really much going on, and I started asking around and didn't really get much of a response. So it's a few days out, and I figured I think it's time to take matters into my own hands. Today's actually August 3rd, and it's 3 days away from the date itself, and we are just now starting to get stuff going. I put this event page together about 12 hours ago at this point, and we have about almost 60 people responded to it so far. I know those aren't, you know, for sure attendees, but it does show that there is some interest in the meet itself. So hopefully we get some more traction in the next few days, and we'll see how things turn out. All right, today's the day we have all been waiting for. Today is 8/6 day, and it is a Saturday. It is very exciting. Starting my day off right with my liquid death. And yeah, so today when I've checked the Facebook event page, I have hit 91 people interested on it, from what I remember correctly. I set a goal for myself to hit 100 people interested in it. I know that's not attendees. I know that's people marked interested in the event. I'm aware of this. But I thought it'd be a cool goal to at least have 100 people marked interested. Don't think that's gonna happen at this point. Who knows? We've still got a couple hours to go. It's 12:34 right now. The meet starts at 1 o'clock, and I'm hitting the road right now, and yeah, I guess we'll see when we get there.
So I think Ryan briefly already explained what we're trying to do here. We made it up to Bush Plaza up here. I'm over here. Ryan's over there, and we're gonna try to get all the 86s over here. So we were really looking forward to having an 86 meet on 8/6 day. It is August 6th. We figured we'd make the first flyer, and then to promote it the next couple days, we decided to make a couple other flyers. And it seems like we might have a good turnout here, so I'm looking forward to it. You know the meet's halfway decent when the ice cream truck shows up. Oh, with the Torinos? That's sick. Yeah, we hired him. We put him on the payroll.
Shout out to my catering service.
Not a bad turnout at all. I really love that heritage blue on that. Ooh, looks so good. Some Mark 8 Golf R. I've been looking at the Mark 8 GTIs and Golf Rs, and they're definitely pretty sweet. Very cool guy. Some really cool stuff over here. And this thing over here, stupid clean. So we're getting our cars warmed up, getting ready to head out. Not the greatest turnout, but it was pretty good for last minute. Like I said, we made this meet like 3 days ago, so Ryan's rolling out now, so we'll go ahead and we'll follow him.
All right, we got everybody behind me right now. We're getting ready to get on the interstate. I don't think you can see any of the people behind me, but this is pretty cool. Pretty excited right now.
So I've been a little bad about filming. I'm a little social anxiety filming in front of people. But we are at Quaker Steak and Lube now. Their car meet's a lot more official than ours. Theirs is actually a show. You had to pay $10 to get in. And they said all the 86s can actually park up front. So we're parking up front here. These dudes taking some photos. Ryan's gonna hit them. They also gave us these little coupons here for 10% off, so I'm about it. Yeah, man, my man's getting the angles. My man.
So this is actually kind of an exciting thing for us because I think me and you have both always said that we would love to have our cars parked in the front of Quaker for a meet, and here we are in the front of Quaker.
Don't let him fool you. My car's not here. I actually didn't have cash on me to pay the 10 bucks. So I parked in the overflow lot because they recommended me go to the ATM, but their ATM was not working. And I think I'm pretty sunburned actually. Ooh, that's spicy.
That is a little spicy.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I might have sounded a little not optimistic in that clip of me when we got to when cars started showing up. It actually was a very great turnout. For us, it was kind of like, if one person showed up, that's awesome. If 100 people show up, that's awesome. And I'm actually really stoked with how today went.
I'm super excited with how things have gone. This is probably like, I mean, we've got a Dance Gavin Dance concert later today, and this may go down as one of the best days ever, honestly.
Yeah, shout out the DGD. I know I wore this shirt in my last video, but like, who's really noticing? Who's really noticing? Again, possibly my favorite 86 ever, at least in Tampa. But here they are, all in front of Quaker. Hey man, hey. Just pretend like I didn't say that, okay?
That was kind of rude.
All lined up though. And then there's another Terreno coming in too. Let's see if I can get them over here. Yes, sir. That's so clean. We kind of got split up on the crews, so I was chilling behind the two. Oh, there we go. The Neptune Blue GR86. I love that so much. This guy with his every single input he makes. But this is our lineup right now. We just finished eating. We got a couple GR86s here. We got a couple GTOs here. These aren't GTOs, obviously, but GTOs. It's good stuff here. Real good stuff.
Real good stuff.
I guess maybe people stayed home for the rain, but this is like what the rest of the parking lot looks like. There's not a whole lot going on here. This guy over here has the Minion staying. Ryan's still to keep it away from him at all costs. I mean, it's about what I expected from a Florida car meet. It's kind of like a car show. Yeah. Like I said, you had to pay 10 bones to get in here. You got the guys with their trophies in front. You know, they mean business. They're out for another trophy. This guy's just out to have fun.
I'm looking to get a trophy. I just want to give a huge shout out to Joey for cleaning up his car because this is probably the best up this Z has looked in a long time. Yeah, I should have waxed it. Maybe I can win a trophy for being the loneliest car in this overflow lot because I'm too broke to pay 10 bucks. Zeesh! It does look really good though. I feel like when I wash it, it just makes me appreciate the car more. I can see myself.
Yeah.
I look like a little goblin.
Look at that. Those are some unfortunate sights right there.
Goblin status.
No. Minion status. Bro, what is it with the Minion stuff? Stay away from me.
Taking over.
Okay, so ignore whatever noise is going off in the background. It's just me and Ryan now. I'll get a shot of the cars. They look good right now. It's kind of like golden hour right now, I guess.
I wish we could actually like get up on top of this parking garage.
Yeah,
we could
I know.
get a cool shot,
but what are you gonna do, you know? But yeah, this is a sundial garage. We are in St. Pete now. We're gonna go ahead and go to this concert. I think Ryan's gonna film some on his phone here. The car meet was pretty awesome, both of them. It was good people, good food, just good vibes overall. You got anything to say, Ryan? We gotta host another meet again.
Thank you for everybody that showed up, and shout out to everybody that came out and made it, you know, possible. Honestly, like I recognize that it was a lucky circumstance, but it worked out, and I'm really happy with the way things turned out. And even some people, you know, said that they would like to see another meet. So maybe we'll host something again. Who knows?
Very true. So we're gonna go ahead and go to this concert here. So.
St. Pete! We're Dance Gavin Dance from Sacramento, California. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's have some fucking fun. What? Thank you so much. We're Dance Gavin Dance. We'll see you next time. I love you. Thank you.
I haven't filmed the video in a while, so I know this video is a little rusty. We just got out of the show. I have my earplugs in, so my ears are fine, even though like a siren is going off or whatever the hell in the parking lot. But today was a good day. Concert was sick. There's not much else to say here, but hopefully we can do some more meets in the future. Hopefully we can get a little more consistent with videos. I know I say that all the time, but I think maybe in the future, since me and Ryan don't have as much time, we might film some solo videos and post them. So if you see content with just me in it, or you see content with just Ryan in it, don't be alarmed. There's still gonna be content with both of us. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. Do you have anything else to say, Ryan?